2008 Jeep Liberty. Grab your plastic trim tool. Work your way around the edges. The silver things come with it. Here on the bottom right corner, gotta get the metal clips. Just gotta pry away evenly. Then you can turn the car on and shift it to another gear, and that'll give you more clearance here. And then once you're in reverse, go ahead and just move this out of the way. Here I've cut mine for demonstration purposes, but just push down, pull that out. Same with this here, with all your control buttons. This one has a little red tab. You slide back, then you can push it down, slide that out. And on the cigarette lighter, just push in on the tab, pull that out. And to remove the climate, grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 Phillips screws. Then you'll have your climate control free.